channel. So today we're going to be creating this look. So if you want to see how I got this look, continue watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, so this is like giving me fall vibes, but I kind of paired it with a little bit of gold and orange and you know, all of the fall colors, like yeah, yellow, everything. But I just wanted to do something glamorous. I don't know, it's Halloween, pumpkin kind of vibe, pumpkin eyes, you know, it's giving me that vibe. Serving you with island spice, Jamaican girl, allspice, everything nice. And this ain't Grenada, but we spiced it today. Feeling spicy, spicy. Woo, woo. Okay, continue watching, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe. So guys, I'm starting off nice and clean, and I just want to apologize for the exposure issue that I was experiencing during the course of this video. Yeah, I'm going in with Zakia, and Zakia is coming from the Magic palette. That's the Jwillscool palette, this orangish color. And I blended that as my transition shade. Then I'm going in with this black shade, or this black color, from my Morphe 35B palette, and I just used that to create my crease. Then I went in with this pencil brush to just smudge out the black. Yeah, because we don't want it to be super harsh. So I'm just blending, guys, as you can see, blending it out, just to ensure that it is nice and blended in the crease and it's not so obvious. Then I went in with this purplish pinkish color from the Morphe 35B palette, and I just blended that over the black because I didn't want it to be black, grayish black. I kind of wanted it to have this berry looking color. Yes, I just used it and blended it out, and I just added Zakia again over the two colors that I added. And yeah, I'm just cutting my crease, as you can see right now, and I just checking to see where I want my crease to be, because I'm going to literally be creating that crease. So that's the reason why we went in with the darker shades, to just define that area. And I'm just cutting my crease, and I'm not gonna be doing an entire, you know, lid space. So I just blended that out with a brush, and I'm using this now from the Jwillscool Sahara 2 palette, and this is Zora, and I'm just using Zora at the outer portion. Then I went in with the black again to deepen the crease, so that we can have, you know, the colors looking nice and deep, and you know, transitioning from one deeper color to a lighter color, or you know, just like a spectrum, you know, colors deepening and lightening. And then I went in with Zakia again because it was giving me too much of a deep color, and I really didn't want it to be super black. So I went in with Zakia now to just blend out the edges, so we get that, you know, nice deepened color, and I was satisfied. So I went in with this golden color from my Magic palette. That's a Jwillscool Magic palette, and this is Nubia. And I just used Nubia. Nubia is going to be the color of the day. I love this color. It's a golden, it almost reminds me of that Rihanna color, that, you know, trophy wife, but it's more on the golden side. So I just went in with Zora, and I put Zora on top of Nubia, just to fade it out a bit. And then I went in again with the Magic palette, and I used Nana, and Nana is a lighter orangish, brick orangish kind of brown. Okay, so my memory was a little bit full, so I had to, like, yeah, so just stamping. Okay, and now I'm gonna just use this brush. This is a crease smudger brush from Sylyne. I'm just gonna add it right here and just smudge. Yeah, so it just gives it a finished, you know, result. I'm gonna use this one, this flat top, because I kind of want to shade, because it's giving me too much of a harsh line, and I'm not really going for that. Okay, so we're just blending out the harsh line. The Magic palette, this one, this is Nana. I'm going to use Nana. the masquerade palette Giza to just highlight the inner corners. Okay, we're gonna do a wing line. Okay guys, so I added my mascara and my lashes, as you can see. What are we gonna do now? We are going to be doing our highlighting. This is the MAC dupe 224. Okay, and then we're gonna take this a little bit in this, and I'm just going to add it to my right here. Ooh, pretty. Okay, then we're gonna add it to here, and then that's it, all highlighted. Just kidding, of course not. And use this brush now to blend it in. I'm gonna use this side, like it doesn't matter which side. And we are going to go in with my e.l.f. Baked highlighter, because this is like rose gold, and then the color pop is like gold, so it gives it this nice coppery bronzy kind of gold. And I'm gonna go in with Color Pop lippy stick. This lippy stick is in Can't Wait. And take some. I'm just gonna take some gloss over that. Okay, and this is our look. Okay guys, so this is my finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the hair. This hair is from Long Key Hair on Amazon. Yeah, I reviewed this hair earlier on my channel. I'm so in love with it. This is how the top looks. Yeah, but yeah, this is the hair from Long Key Hair, and this is my look. This is giving me fall vibes, but it is more like on the sunsetty, orangish, tangerine, the lips tangerine-ish, I don't know, just good vibe, good vibe, good vibe. And I am feeling all cute and glamorous, you know.